Hello everyone, this is Hina and welcome to another tutorial of dillenium marketing, and today I'm going to share with you how can you easily create a triangular based logo design or the geometrical logo design in Adobe Illustrator. So let's start now. Very simple easy way to create it. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I will select the polygon tool from here in shape section and just click on the artboard. Choose the polygon and just click on the artboard, and here you can set the number of sides. Here are 3 because I want to create a triangle, so it will be look like this. Now what the next step, I'm going to change the color so it will be more prominent on the artboard. So it will be looking like this. Now just reduce it down here. So here you can see the upper part of the triangle is so long because I want to create a logo design where based on this shape, so I want to play with this. So now what you are going to do, I will just use a direct selection tool. Press A from your keyboard and just click on it at the tip of the triangle and drag it down in the straight way. Here is the, you can say the green line is showing you, guiding you how the design will go. Okay, so now you can see how the triangle is looking like now, and here I'm just removing this stroke from here, and now what I want you to do, I will create a simple straight line. It's a thick line, and changing the color to make it more prominent on the triangle, and here I will keep it here and now rotate it. Here you can define the number of, how it will be look like. I want to create a perfect tilt way to create this line. It's a tilting line, so I think 39 degrees is the best. So just set it accordingly like this. And here I want to create a simple copy of this. Press Alt and Shift from your keyboard and then drag it here. And now press Ctrl D to create multiple copies. And here I'm going to choose all these layers together, and here go into the window, choose Pathfinder, and here choose the trim option from here. Now simply go into the ungroup, and here you can remove the extra parts. So here you can see how the design is look like now. Now the next thing that I'm going to do, I want to create a smaller triangle within this big triangle. Into the object, and here I will choose the path, offset path, and here you can just turn on the preview mode, so how it will be look like, you can see that. And here you can increase, I want to create the thickness to match with this one, so here you can see it's more equivalent now. So now select both the shapes together, and here again go into the Pathfinder, and here you can just subtract the layer, so it will be looking like this. So this is the very simple and easy way to create a simple triangular based logo design. So you can say it's a big triangle, and within the big triangle there is a smaller, and there is a simple design here. So what I'm going to do, if you want, you can also create some round sides here. So go into the effect here, stylize, and here you can choose the round corners and just give it a degree 4 pixels of roundness here. So here it will be looking like this. If you want to avoid the roundness, then you can also do that. I'm simply writing company name here, scale it up. Now change the font, and here I'm changing the spacing between the words. Okay, and now just make it smaller. Here is, and now I'm going to create a tagline. Here you can also increase the spacing between the words. And here you can see how the design is look like now. Okay, now the next thing that you can also do to play with this, if you want to make it black in color, then you can just select these layers and you can put it black. So it will be look like this now. So this is very easy and simple way to create these type of a logo design using the Adobe Illustrator. Is absolutely vector and completely vector and professionally used for any company or any business logo. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question in this regard, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you have any suggestions to create a specific logo design, then please ask me and I will try to make a tutorial on that. Thank you so much for watching. Have a very good day. Bye bye.